Hi friends, I am Sagar Sopanemkar and uh, today date is 3rd January 2022 and today Viva topic is the array list. So firstly see what is meant by array. The array is the collection of similar data types and which is to stored in similar data types. Then the array list. The array list is the mainly types of the collection. So what is meant by collection? The collection is the framework is to create a group of the object and stored in the collection. This process is called as the collection. The collection is the mainly two types. First one is the list and second one is the stack queue. Then the list is the again three types, creating three types. First one is the array list, second one is the linked list, and third one is the vector. We see one by one, but the list is the version to version 1.2. It is also called as the non-lexic classes, and it is the list is the creating duplicate values. Then we see one by one. Firstly, vector. The created vector is the create dynamical value. Dynamical array. It is to perform is the dynamical array. Vector. Vector is the stored data and stored element to dynamical array, and it is used to perform array size of the increase. Then linked list. Linked list is the to used to creating classes and to perform the classes and to package. Then the array list. Array list is the to store the data in array, but this size is not fixed. It is a size is uh, not constant. It is a variable. Two, we have C in dynamical array stored element in to runtime. So we can allow that time, and we took we want to delete some element, so we can allow that time. Then the array list is the non-synchronous type. It is also a non-synchronous type. The non-synchronized is the not creating any threads, any multiple threads and multi-threadings. Then it is a the array list is to creating uh, array list is to creating any duplicates value. It is not performing original value. Then array list is to store the data in represent the data perform in occurred continuously. Then array list is not creating threads. And then so array list is to array list to performs an array. Then the syntax of the array is the array, then array name and an object name, then new is equal to new, then array list, and that is the size of the array. For example, array, then a is equal to new. Here a is the object, then array list is the name of the array, and it is stored value of 10. It is a stored dynamically value, but if you want to store and increment the size of the array, though not issue that not create issue that time, because the array increase the size dynamically and runtime. The size increasing size rating is the 2 3 3 divided by 2 plus 1, that is a 2.5 times to increase the current increase the size of the current array, and which is a leave the previous array, and then leave the previous array which is a goes on garbage collection and garbage storage. And then the factor is the one of the part of the arrays collection and list. That is the vector version is 1.2 1.0, And the array list is a version. Array list and linked list version is a 1.2. It is also called as non-lexical non-lexical classes. And the array, the vector version is a 1.0. It is called as a lexical classes. And then the vector is the vector is the synchronous data types. It is a creating multiple multi-threadings of the objects. It is not create a duplicate value, and it is stored data in synonyms data. Then the threads. Thank you.